So what's the trick with this kind of light? So today this shooting is gonna be kind of a night party, holiday, celebration, club style. So that's why we wanna use the light, which is mainly a main strobe, put it on top of the camera, just boom, pop on the face of the model, that's it. And it's a simple light, and it's something that I love, but there is a couple of rules that you gotta follow, and I'll show you. What's the trick with this kind of light? First of all, is always having the light exactly in top of the camera. So never on the side, not much, like this, like this. Flash, camera, like this, okay? Never like this, just change the effect, okay? Then I'll show you, in case you're gonna move the flash from the side, even the shadow is gonna move, okay? So if you gotta move with the subject, have always somebody holding the light in front of you. Or like I did, put the light on a stand and just be aware that you're gonna be exactly in line on below the main light. And now put number 2. Light is here again. She is gonna sit on the chair. Okay. So once again, the distance of the light to the subject has to be always the same, because otherwise, if you move the light closer, it's gonna blow up. Oh man, guys, I'm working. Okay. If you move the light closer to the subject or far away, it's gonna mess it up with the exposure. That's why in this case I'm gonna put everything on a stand like this. She's gonna be sitting there actually, and show you. As I said before, if you move away from the center light, this is what is going to happen. See? Basically the light gets side too much, too harsh from one side, and I mean, you create shadow that you may like it, you may not like it, but it's not our purpose. Then, like last trick for this technique is always remember, it's better when you take this picture having always a beautiful model like this. So 95% of the time you nail the shot.